Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview LYYJIAJU 12-foot by 30-inch metal frame above-ground pool. Give your kids a beloved one this summer, a safe and hygienic, private space to enjoy a cool summer day. This swimming pool is easy to assemble and easy to store. The side wall of the swimming pool is made of 2 layers of strong PVC tape and a layer of polyester fiber mesh cloth, durable, comfortable, resistant to sunlight. It will ensure your swimming pool stands up to tons of fun and looks good doing it all summer long. Product benefits. The pool includes filter pump, made of PVC and polyester mesh, durable and comfortable. The pipe frame structure makes the pool more stable. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.